guys, today we will cook a menudo, the Filipino dishes. Let's start. We have garlic, green chili, tomato, ginger, red onion. We have fried potato, bell pepper. We have also carrots and chicken 1 kilo. Also we have tomato paste, and we have sausage or hot dog. Now let's start. This is the oil. Let's use the oil from our potato fry and carrots. Now we will add garlic. Shoot until it's become golden brown. Then we will add also the red onion. We will shoot it until the onion is done. And then add sliced ginger. Slice into long, and we will put our tomato slice. Add some salt. Now we will put our chicken, cut into small pieces. Mix it well to combine all the ingredients. And wait until it's become golden brown, and we will add Maggi, chicken cubes. You can also add Ajinomoto or whatever you want. Now it's almost done, our chicken. We will add water. Water, it's up to you how then put the green chili and add our tomato paste. Mix well, combine. Then keep it boiled. When the chicken is already soft, we will add some salt again. Now we will put our green bell pepper or capsicum. Mix it a little. Then we will put our carrots, fried carrots, and also the potato fry. And then the last one is our sausage or hot dog. Keep it boiling. Now our menudo is done. We'll garnish it for the green onion leaves. Filipino dishes, menudo, finish. It's all done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like and subscribe.